Hey, quick question. Have you ever spent hours trying to make a video, but ended up stuck staring at a blank screen because you didn't know where to start? That was literally me last month. I had this amazing script ready to go, but editing the visuals, finding the right clips, voiceover, text overlays? I was frustrated, tired, and almost gave up. Until I found this free tool. And trust me, once you try it, you're going to wonder why no one told you sooner. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best free text-to-video generator, how it works, what makes it a game changer, and I'll reveal the tool's name at the end. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Hey there, welcome back to Web Success, the place where we take the guesswork out of growing online. If you're into automation, AI tools, content creation, and building smarter online systems, you're in the right spot. Today, we're solving a real problem. How do you turn a simple text script into a full-blown video without editing software, without hiring a freelancer, and without wasting hours figuring things out? If you've ever wanted to create videos for YouTube, social media, your business, or just for fun, but felt overwhelmed by the process, you're going to love this. Have you ever tried turning your text into video before? What tools did you try? Comment below, I'd love to hear. Let's dive in. So, here's what happened. A few weeks ago, I was helping a friend launch their YouTube channel. They had a script, a great idea, and zero editing skills. We tried doing it the traditional way, recording voiceovers, adding clips manually, searching for stock footage, syncing everything. After 4 hours, we had 30 seconds of footage. It looked okay, but it wasn't worth the pain. That night, I went down a rabbit hole of AI tools. I must have tested 7 different ones. Some looked great, but were behind paywalls. Some had free versions, but added ugly watermarks. And some just didn't work at all. But then, I stumbled across this free tool. Within 10 minutes, we had a full video, text, visuals, transitions, captions, music, done. It honestly felt like magic. And that's the tool I'm sharing with you today. But first, let's talk about what makes a text-to-video tool truly great. Not all AI video tools are created equal. Some promise a lot, but underdeliver. So here are 3 things you really want to look for. 1. Simplicity and speed. If it takes more than 10 minutes to figure out the interface, it's not worth it. The best tools are drag and drop simple. You should be able to copy-paste your text, click a button, and get a preview instantly. Look for tools that auto-generate scenes from your script. That's where the time-saving magic happens. Ever been there? Spending an hour just syncing text to clips? No thanks. 2. Customization. Without complexity, you don't want to be locked into just one style. The best tools let you tweak fonts, colors, music, and even voiceovers, without making you feel like you're editing in Premiere Pro. Some tools even let you upload your own voice or choose from realistic AI voices. And you should be able to swap visuals easily, because let's face it, AI doesn't always pick the perfect scene. 3. No watermarks, or at least a free trial. This one's a deal breaker. You don't want to create a polished video only to have a giant watermark slapped across the screen. If it's free, it should actually be usable. Look for tools that give you full video exports. No watermark, no strings attached. Let's take a second to talk about you. Who can actually benefit from this tool? YouTubers. Whether you're making top 10s, explainers, narrations, or faceless channels, this tool speeds up your workflow. Small business owners. Want to promote your product or service with video ads, but don't have a video team? This is your shortcut. Educators or coaches, turn your lessons, blogs, or tips into professional-looking video tutorials. Content creators on Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn. Turn tweets or captions into full videos. Bloggers or writers. Repurpose your written content into engaging videos that get shared. Honestly, if you have words and an idea, you can create a video with this. Let's get even more practical. Here are 3 types of videos I've personally made using this tool. 1. List videos for YouTube. I took a script titled Top 5 AI Tools for Freelancers, copy-pasted it in, selected a voice, picked a theme, and boom, 3-minute YouTube video ready in 10 minutes. No editing, no timeline dragging, no fuss. 2. Client social media ads. One of my clients wanted a quick Instagram ad, but had no budget for design. We wrote a short script, ran it through the tool, and had a sleek captioned video ad ready by lunch. It boosted their clicks by 40% and cost us nothing but time. 3. Blog to video content. If you have a blog, this tool is gold. Paste your article, tweak the sections, and now it's video content. More reach, same content. Ever thought of doing that? Let me know in the comments if you have a blog. I can share tips on repurposing your posts too. Now, let's get a little real. Creating content online is hard. There's pressure to look polished, post consistently, and keep up with trends. But not everyone has the time, team, or tech skills to do it the traditional way. And I know what it feels like to have a message, a voice, or a business idea, and feel stuck because the video part is too complicated. This tool levels the playing field. It gives people like you and me a way to show up, share our ideas, and grow without needing a film degree. You'll love this tool because it removes that barrier. You get to focus on your message, not the messy editing process. And the best part? You don't need to be techie to use it. Before I reveal the tool, let me quickly list a few others I tried and why they didn't quite make the cut. Lumen 5, great visuals, but free plan is very limited and watermarked. Designs, AI, sleek UI, but exports are paid only. Canva video, good for manual editing, but not a real text-to-video solution. Animoto, decent templates, but very outdated experience. Veed.io, awesome for subtitles and clips, but requires manual effort to convert full scripts. All useful in some ways, but none of them offered the full script-to-video pipeline in one go, especially not for free. Okay, if you've stuck around this far, you're clearly serious about leveling up your video game. So, let's reveal the winner. The best free text-to-video generator I've found so far is Pictory AI. Yep, it's called Pictory, and it's insanely powerful. Here's why. Upload your script or paste a blog URL. It automatically generates video scenes based on your text, comes with millions of royalty-free stock footage and music built-in AI voiceovers, or upload your own auto captions, scene transitions, and branding tools. And best of all, the free version lets you export videos with no watermark. It's beginner-friendly, but powerful enough for pros. I've used it for YouTube channels, client videos, educational explainers, you name it. And every time, it saves me hours. So here's my challenge for you. Take one script, maybe an idea you've had sitting in your notes for weeks, and try turning it into a video using Pictory. You might be surprised by how easy it feels. And if you do, tag me or leave a comment below. I'd love to check out your video and give you feedback. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up so more creators can find it. And hey, subscribe to Web Success for more no-fluff tools and tutorials to grow online the smart way, because your voice matters. Let's make sure the tech doesn't get in the way of your message. See you in the next one.